Hi, this is Paul. Today we're going to be doing an installation and review of the Apex XL aluminum side cases from Viking Bags. Today these will be going on my 2022 Africa Twin Adventure Sports. The bags are available in aluminum or black finishes. I chose the aluminum. Well, now we'll get started. Everything came boxed very well. Packaging inside has a lot of protection. You can see that they're wrapped in a heavy black cloth for protection. Racks are also wrapped for protection. All the brackets and mounting hardware is included. And inside the bag, there's a soft lining and a removable pouch for tools or other small items. The rubber seal makes them waterproof. Viking Bags has an easy-to-use website where you can find the bags to match your bike. Pricing is $999, but currently there is a $200 coupon discount. The capacity of the bags is 45 liters combined. The opening is 7.5 inches by 17.75 inches. The weight capacity is 22 pounds each. The lids are removable and lockable and waterproof using a rubber seal around the openings. The instructions were downloaded from the website. Mounting the brackets was pretty straightforward. The slots on the rear bracket don't quite line up with the slots in the rear fender. We'll address that in a moment. So we drilled through the plastic fender so that we could remount the license plate. The latching mechanism included with the bags are two LED lights and a solar powered battery pack. Here we've got the installed bags, heavy duty brackets, good looking Viking Bags logo, latching mechanism, key lock to detach the bags.